This is Ian from In 30 Minutes Guides. I'm going to show you why Gemini is a great travel assistant, especially for checking public transportation options and costs. Let's get started with an easy example. So we are looking at Google Gemini 3.0, and basically the way it works is where it says enter a prompt for Gemini, you type in a question or you make a statement and Gemini will react to it. You have options for how you want Gemini to react to it. So I'm using Gemini 3, which is a pretty powerful large language model option that Google offers right now. It's completely free with the normal Google account that I have. And I'm going to select the fast option. It answers quickly, and honestly, it's good for questions about public transportation. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask it a question about taking a train between two German cities sometime next week. One other reminder when you're entering information into Gemini, don't put in sensitive information like passwords or other personal information that you wouldn't want other people to see. And the reason why is because Gemini keeps a history of your chats, and if somebody else were to come upon that, that wouldn't be good. So I'm going to put in my question. I'm taking the train from Frankfurt to Munich next Friday. What are my options? You don't even have to put a question mark here. It'll still understand it. And then you press the submit button, which looks like an arrow or a paper airplane. And because it's the fast model, it should be pretty quick. So it basically outlines what my options are. So it says the high-speed option, ICE train. That's correct. It takes about 3 hours and 9 minutes. That's good. Or it says I could take the slower versions, which are 4 or 5 hours, and then it's talking about the costs and how long it takes for each one of the trains, and then it talks about seat reservations and other things. So it finally says, would you like me to find specific departure times? So yeah, I'm going to say, what's the first ICE train in the morning? So it says the first one from Frankfurt to Munich is at 3:52 in the morning. All right, that's a little bit too early, but it's also showing me some other options a little bit later, which is great. So the other thing that you can do is you can say, let's say that you're traveling in another country, or maybe you're going to a certain city. You can say, is there a transit pass that I can use? And let's see what the options are there. Okay, so it says that there's something called the Deutschland ticket, which is best for local and regional trains, and shows what the cost is, 63 euros, which is great. And then it says the German Rail Pass, which is good for tourists, and it says the number, how you can set it up and what the costs are. And then they have something called a day pass as well. So you can see that Google is pretty good about fetching this information from various sources. And by the way, when it gives sources, you'll see like a little chain icon, and you can see that it says this source comes from Rick Steves, Europe. He's a famous travel journalist. This is from Deutsche Bahn, which is the German train service. So these are reliable sources, and you can check them. If you click on it, it will show you the different options. And you may be wondering, well, Ian, why aren't you just going directly to Rick Steves, Europe, or Deutsche Bahn to find out this information? And the reason is, if I went to the official German railway website to find this information, I'd be afraid I would be looking for too long, kind of hunting around in menus, or maybe I'd start looking at the wrong service and not be aware there's like another service like the ICE or the regional train. And the great thing about Google Gemini when you're asking about public transportation is you can just ask a very open-ended question like, what are my options? I'm going to the city next Friday. Or you can ask very specific questions like, what's the first ICE train in the morning from Frankfurt? And it will tell you what it is, and you can refine it. And most other websites do not have that ability to ask those types of questions. So I really like Google Gemini for that reason, for researching public transport. And I can assure you the next time I go to a new city or another country, Gemini is going to be one of the first places I stop. If this video helped, please take a moment to like it and follow me. And you can ask questions below. There's more resources in the bio and description. Thank you so much for watching.